What's up, guys? Oh, what? Oh my god. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing an animal company video. Yeah.
Hi!
Yeah, and this is Nugget Man. He's my friend. He's gonna be in the video today. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna just buy a rocket.
I'm broke. I can't buy crap.
Okay, fine. I'll buy you some. Go get it, horsey.
Where did it go?
It's over here. Right here. Okay, let's go. You want to go down the sewers?
Sure.
I bet. Let's go. What the skibbity toilet?
Down the magical hole we go. Stop down. Like I got treated like I'm a bouncy ball.
Nice. Alright, here comes the goofy Squid Game thingy-majigger.
Thingy-majigger, yeah, good name.
Yeah, Squid Game reference. I swear. Why does it take so long? Hurry up!
I'm coming!
Demetrius!
Hello!
Bro's tweaking. No, let's go.
Get a Ruby!
We don't need Ruby. Let's get down. Obstacle course. Why is my screen glitching like crazy? Hurry up.
I'm like in the middle of it, and it's not. Wait, let me switch.
Imagine I fall. Yeah. Imagine you fall. Yeah, bro's not falling. Okay, cool. Whee!
I will go. I will succeed. I will not fall. I will make it a dream.
Whee! Hurry up, slowpoke. What's taking you so long?
Sorry, I dropped my flashlight.
Whee!
Told you I got better at this parkour.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Okay, let's go jump down here. Oh, is that Demetrius? Hi, Demetrius.
Wow. Hi, buddy. Oh, did you? Literally?
Nah. Damn, bro, sucks. That's crazy. Oh, yo, you can push him. Pushing him.
My
there he goes! There he goes! There he goes! Weird little bro.
For some reason.
Oh my god, that scared me.
He's back! My dead body.
Get back!
Not today.
Off we go into zero gravity. Whee!
I smell.
What? Okay, we're at zero gravity. Look at all this juicy money. You better become Elon Musk, bro. Okay, let's keep going. So if you grab another crate, like you did that one time. Oh my god, the eyeball spun so bad. How do I make that?
How do you do that?
I'm gonna set it off. I'm gonna make a way for you. Okay. Nice. Let's get out.
How'd you do that? How'd you not die?
I'm just a skibbity rizzler. That's all.
Bro. You are.
Yeah, indeed. Okay, let's keep going.
It won't let me move.
Dang, that's wild. Let's keep going. So, is it this way? No, it's not.
Disappeared for half a second. cool. But why do I have chainsaw fingers now? I like those new design fingers. And then just turned our fingers into Cheetos!
Just bring your stubby hands back. Look, it ain't that hard.
Yeah,
Oh, let's go. Let's go. No damage taken. Dubs. Let's go. Ease.
Then.
Damn, bro. I actually made it here. You're also a skibbity sigma then.
Yeah, we're all skibbity sigmas.
Yeah. Let's get going.
We're gonna rinse up this angler.
Okay, let's rinse them up. Oh my god, my screen's glitching so hard.
I hate the fact that we have 0 gravity, and stuff should float like 0 gravity, and we shouldn't, because this would be way easier if we didn't.
It should be low gravity instead.
Yeah, not 0.
Because 0 gravity, you like can't move at all. It's low gravity. Oh,
I just lost my rocket.
thank God you made that. You can still survive without a rocket. I'll get rid of mine too. Well, maybe.
But you need to survive. You are the YouTube host.
Yeah, I'm the
You
host.
cannot die.
Real. Okay, where are these goofy anglers at? Oh, they're over there. Okay, we're fine.
I don't know, but we can make it.
Hurry up. You're taking long. Well, not that long. Boom. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Whee! Why are there people in our code?
Go! Sell!
Wait. Like doing the thing.
Okay, let's go join our new code. Add a 1 to the code.
Video.
Okay, I say we go to chicken. How about that? Let's absolutely annihilate that thing with a crossbow and a grenade. You'll just be the guy that holds the egg, okay? Well, I'll just be okay, I'll just do it. Okay.
We'll
Hurry.
both do it. We'll both shoot the ugly eye.
Look at the wall, bro. I had to do it.
Idiot!
Bro, I actually just brought another crossbow. Ow. Hey. Bro. How dare you? Target locked. Hey!
I missed.
Hey!
Oh.
O'Reilly!
Yow!
Get out! Oh, that was actually kind of close. Okay, we need to stop wasting money. Let's actually go.
Yeah, let's go. I don't want to.
So I might have just accidentally pressed my trigger button.
Idiot! You don't have a grenade. You need a grenade.
Yeah, I need a grenade. Okay, I'm getting it. Give me my backpack! Just give me my backpack.
Come on, backpack.
Let's go.
Bro, you bought 4 individual crowbars. Not
4
crowbars.
individual crowbars? What is that supposed to mean? Oh my god, Nugget Man, you stupid! Hell no, bro.
So I accidentally pressed my trigger.
Hell no! Just come back, okay? Just come.
Damn.
Come with the grenade. Oh my god, you didn't bring a grenade. You're so stupid.
I know. Too late. I was already there. You don't have to play with me.
Hey, Damon.
I'll put the egg on my finger.
Hell no, I'm putting it in my backpack. Cause that's what it's meant for.
No.
I call. get cooked, little bro. Oh, there's a gold bar. And a gold monkey statue. I'm already heavy. Now let's get out of here before the chicken gets
I almost
mad.
died.
Oh my god, did you bring the anglerfish out of its cave? Okay, no, you didn't.
No, I fell.
I know that's something you would do, bro.
Should we go fight Angler now? We don't have no more grenades, but we can still.
I have an egg, gold monkey statue, and gold bar in my backpack, so let's sell it first.
Wow, Lee, you got all that from chicken?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna name this video anyway?
I honestly have no idea. That's what I'm gonna figure out when I'm editing. So yeah, let's do that. I'll figure that out when I'm editing. How about that?
I'm broke again.
Good for you. Ah. Money! Just give me my money. Whoa!
Yeah.
All of that from those 3 things. How cool. Okay, let's go actually annihilate that angler.
Bet.
First, I say you bring the big light.
I don't have enough for the big light. You buy the big light.
We'll just go up to him and blow him up. How about that?
Yeah. You shoot the angler, I'll shoot the stupid red light, stupid green light, stupid.
Squid Game ass thing, bro. My controller!
Or I could use it for the fast one.
The Mr. Mike Tyson thingy.
Tick, the tick, red light. Tick, red light. Not.
What about
not
Mike
the regular
Tyson?
one. Oh, Mr. Anglery, we're here to beat you up.
Okay, you cook that stupid red light, green light, Squid Game, tick talk thing. Yeah. Okay.
So I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah, where are we? Where's the angler? Oh, he's over there.
Right there.
Oh, I missed. Let's get out of here.
Should we distract him? I'm gonna distract him.
Yeah, for the video. Hi, Pookie. Bro's cooked. Bro's actually cooked. Owie. I'll come annihilate him. Unless you're already getting attacked by him. Oh, I think he's getting attacked.
Do you think he has Jimmy the ducky kidnapped?
Oh yeah, we should get Jimmy. Oh, you made it out. Nice. Oh, nice try. I'm gonna go throw his crossbow in the lake.
Where's my thingy-mabobber?
I threw it in the river.
Buy me a new one right now.
No!
But I'm broke, I can't.
Fine, explode me in here. I dare you.
Can't
Do
do
it.
it in here.
Do it.
These are some pretty good bargains. One, two.
I see what you're doing, buddy-o. Nice try. Wait, you want to go back to sewers or whatever?
Why?
Because why not? Yeah, okay. Should we?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
This way, yeah? This way.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
I'm broke. I can't buy up. I can't.
Is this lemon? Oopsie. Oh my god, bro. What a skibbity! Oopsie.
So I kind of can't.
Okay, let's go get some more money.
Buy our loadout. Come on.
What does this thingy mabobber do?
I don't know.
Why is it making a beeping noise? What is that? Oh, it's a trap. Okay, cool. So I think that thing might have been a trap.
It might have been a nuclear strike.
Oh yeah.
Tactical.
Wait a minute, I want to try something. So if we just take this over to red light, green light, and then
Murder it with its own light.
yeah, we're gonna murder it with a.
Surprise! Maybe you have to place it on a wall. Don't move! I think I moved. Place it on the wall behind you.
Nice try, little bro. Oh look, it's Mimic.
Can't
Bro's-
sniff your booty cheeks.
Bro's tripping. That thing is scary. That thing is scary. That thing is scary. That thing is skibbity, skibbity, skibbity. Huh? Aw. He just wanted a kiss, that's all.
You dare disobey me!
Huh. Hey, Skibbity. Well, what kind of trick shot did bro pull off? That's it. That's it. I'm done with him. I'm actually so done, bruh. Yeah, take that. Take that. That's what you get.
Can you buy me one?
Yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get. No, go push him this way. I'm gonna push him on the landmine. No, I can't push him. Woo! Okay. What the? Yeah, bro got cooked. I cooked bro. I might have just did an oopsie daisies. Fine. 360 no scope. Nice. Missing my crossbow for some money. I'm broke.
Can you buy me a grenade? So my headset's low.
Same
So
here.
we're gonna have a full at war.
Who wins? Who will win? I need to buy some more. Wasting all my money. Easy. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.